Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ms. Samreen from Metropolitan Foundation School. Today I am going to tell you symbols of Pakistan with reference to 14 August 1947 Independence Day. National Flag. The national flag of Pakistan boasts a simple yet elegant design. Our flag features soothing colors. The green part dominates the flag and represents the Muslim majority of the population. It also contains a crescent and a star. The white strip portrays the minorities of the country. Pakistani's national flag was designed by Amiruddin Qutbhai. The Constituent Assembly approved the flag on 11 August 1947. National Anthem. Initially, Ahmad Ghulam Ali Chagla composed and wrote the national anthem in 1949. But it was Hafiz Jalandhari who penned down the lyrics of the national anthem We Love Today. It was broadcasted on 13 August 1954 on radio from the first time. However, the government of Pakistan formally announced the national anthem on 16 August 1954. The official performance included Ahmad Rushdie along with 10 other singers. National language. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu, but English is the official language of Pakistan. There are several regional languages and dialects spoken in the country. These include Sindh, Pashto, Punjabi and Balochi. National poet. Another one of the most important Pakistan state symbols is our national poet Allama Iqbal. Born in Sialkot, Iqbal was a great philosopher, leader and scholar. He was among the pioneering members of the Pakistan movement. Allama Iqbal wrote poems in Persian and Urdu. He was the first politician to present the idea of a separate nation for the Muslims of British India. Father of the nation. We fondly recall the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as Quaid-e-Azam or Baba-e-Qaum. Although Jinnah practiced as a lawyer before venturing into politics, he served in the All India Muslim League from 1913 until 14 August 1947. He was also the first Governor General of Pakistan. He succumbed to lung cancer and tuberculosis on 11 September 1948. Mother of the nation. Fatma Jinnah, or the Mother of the Nation, was the younger sister of Jinnah. Popularly known as Madre Millat, Fatma Jinnah was a dental surgeon, but she actively fought for independence. She continued to participate in the country's politics. Fatma Jinnah died at the age of 73 years on 9 July 1967. Both Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Fatma Jinnah are important Pakistan state symbols. National sports. While cricket is quite popular in the country, hockey is the national sport of Pakistan. There are several other sports which are popular in the country. Our country is famous for its squash, cricket, volleyball and kabaddi. Athletes. Pakistani players have a history of setting global records in many other sports. But hockey continues to remain one of the most crucial state symbols of Pakistan. National fruit. Mango is the most popular and the national fruit of Pakistan. In fact, it is also the national fruit of India and the Philippines. The fruit is popular for its juicy pulp and mouth-watering sweetness. National drink. The national drink of Pakistan is sugarcane juice, among other Pakistan state symbols. It is commonly referred to as raw or ganne ka ras. You can easily find sugarcane juice on the street corners of every city, especially in summers. National vegetable. Okra, or commonly known as ladyfinger, is the national vegetable of Pakistan. Not only it is easily available, but the vegetable is low on calories and packed with vitamins and minerals. National dress. The national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. Both men and women wear the national dress with some variations. Common material for shalwar kameez include cotton and lawn. National motto. In 1956, Pakistan became the Islamic Republic of Pakistan with Islam as its official religion. Subsequently, Ittihad, Tanzeem and Yaqeen-e-Mohkam was adopted as the national motto. The literal translation of the expression is unity, faith and discipline. National Mosque. Our national mosque is the majestic Faisal Masjid, which is located in Islamabad. Videk Daloke, a Turkish architect, designed the mosque in the form of a desert tent. The mosque is named after Shah Faisal bin Abdul Aziz, the late king of Saudi Arabia. National Mausoleum. The National Mausoleum of Pakistan is Mazar-e-Qaid, or the tomb of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Its completion took place by 1970. Today it is a popular tourist destination in Karachi. Thank you.